Why do some people earning average salaries slowly build financial freedom, while others making far more money still struggle year after year? Most people think wealth starts with a big paycheck, but real financial progress often begins with small decisions repeated consistently over time. The truth is, income alone does not decide who becomes wealthy. Habits, structure, patience, and smart money behavior usually matter far more in the long run. In today's video, we are going to explore the topic of how to build wealth without a high income. From simple financial systems to the hidden power of consistency, this video may completely change the way you think about money and long-term success. Let's get in. Number 1. Wealth and income are not the same thing. They assume rich people simply earn more money than everyone else. But real life often shows a very different picture. There are people earning huge salaries who still live under stress every month. At the same time, some individuals with average incomes slowly build savings, investments, and long-term security. Money entering your account is only the starting point. What matters more is what happens after that money arrives. Some people spend almost everything they earn, while others keep a portion aside and allow it to grow gradually over time. In the beginning, both lifestyles may look identical from the outside. Same job, same income level, same daily routine. But years later, the results look completely different. One person remains financially stuck, while the other quietly builds stability and freedom step by step. This is why wealth should not be confused with income. That approach feels seductive, but without control, more income simply increases spending. Number 2, the real power is in what you keep. A lot of people focus only on earning more money. Very few focus on keeping money. That second part is where financial growth actually begins. If someone earns $5,000 but spends $4,900, progress remains extremely slow. Another person earning half that amount but consistently saving and investing can move ahead over time. That gap creates breathing room. It creates savings during emergencies and flexibility during hard times. Without that gap, people stay trapped in constant pressure no matter how much they earn. This is why controlled spending matters so much. That does not mean avoiding all enjoyment or living miserably. It means being intentional instead of careless. Small unnecessary expenses repeated every day slowly damage long-term progress. Most financial problems are not created by one huge mistake. Keeping money is important, but allowing it to grow is even more important. Savings alone creates safety. Growth creates wealth. Number 3. Why waiting can cost you years. Many people delay financial action because they believe they need a bigger income first. They say things like, "I'll start saving later," or "I'll invest when I make more money." Time keeps moving, and time is one of the biggest advantages in wealth building. The earlier someone starts, the less pressure they usually face later. This happens because of compounding. Compounding looks small in the beginning. Sometimes it feels almost meaningless. That slow beginning causes many people to quit too early. But over longer periods, growth begins building on previous growth. Then the numbers start accelerating. That is when compounding becomes powerful. Think of it like planting a tree. At first, nothing dramatic happened. Money behaves similarly. A person investing small amounts consistently for 20 years can sometimes outperform someone investing larger amounts much later. They focus only on amount while ignoring duration. And duration matters more than most people realize. Starting early with small, consistent actions is usually more effective than waiting for the perfect financial moment. Because honestly, perfect conditions rarely arrive. Number 4. Consistency beats motivation. Motivation feels powerful in the beginning. People watch financial videos, get inspired, create ambitious goals, and promise themselves that everything will change immediately. Then reality arrives. Expenses appear. Energy drops. Discipline weakens. And slowly, old habits return. This is why motivation alone is unreliable. Systems matter far more. A system removes unnecessary decisions and makes good behavior automatic. For example, automatic transfers into savings or investments create consistency without requiring constant emotional effort. That matters because human beings are emotional spenders. Good systems protect people from their own inconsistency. And consistency is what creates long-term wealth. Even small, repeated actions become powerful over time. $10 invested regularly matters more than random large amounts invested occasionally. Repetition creates accumulation. Accumulation creates momentum. This process is not exciting at first, and that is exactly why many people ignore it. People often search for dramatic financial breakthroughs instead of building sustainable habits. It usually grows quietly in the background through stable patterns repeated for years. And yes, that sounds boring. But boring systems often create the strongest financial results. Number 5. Lifestyle inflation destroys progress. One of the biggest financial traps is lifestyle inflation. This happens when income rises and spending rises with it immediately. Someone gets a raise, then upgrades everything. Better car, more expensive phone, bigger apartment, more shopping, and more dining out. From the outside, life looks more successful. Progress stays flat because every increase in income disappears into new expenses. This cycle traps millions of people. The dangerous part is that lifestyle inflation feels normal. Society encourages it constantly. People compare themselves with friends, co-workers, influencers, and strangers online. But appearances and wealth are not the same thing. A person showing luxury online may secretly be drowning in debt. Meanwhile, someone living modestly may be building investments, assets, and long-term security. Real wealth often looks surprisingly ordinary. It is usually hidden inside smart decisions, low debt, controlled spending, and long-term patience. It is about reducing stress and increasing control over your life. And that goal becomes much easier when spending remains below income even after earnings increase. True financial progress begins the moment you stop upgrading your lifestyle every time your income increases. Number 6. Small investments can create big results. A common mistake people make is believing investments only matter when large amounts are involved. That belief prevents many beginners from starting. Small investments repeated regularly can create significant growth over many years. The important thing is building the habit early. Many successful investors did not begin with huge amounts. They began with small contributions and strong discipline. Over time, those contributions expanded naturally. Another important point is understanding risk. Many people either avoid investing completely or chase unrealistic returns, hoping to become rich quickly. Slow and steady investing may not look exciting, but it is usually far more sustainable. Trying to double money rapidly often leads to emotional decisions and unnecessary losses. It is a long-term process requiring patience and stability. And honestly, social media has damaged people's expectations badly in this area. But most genuine wealth is built quietly over decades, not overnight. Number 7. Structure creates financial control. Without structure, money disappears easily. People spend based on emotion, convenience, or temporary desire. Structure changes that pattern. A structured financial system gives every dollar a purpose. Bills are planned. Savings are automatic. This creates control, and control reduces financial stress. In reality, lack of structure creates more problems than discipline does. A budget is not punishment. It is awareness. It helps people understand their patterns instead of operating blindly. Even simple systems can make a huge difference. Once systems become normal, financial decisions require less emotional energy. That creates stability during uncertain times. Over time, this stability becomes a foundation for consistent financial growth. Number 8. Financial freedom is built slowly. One of the biggest myths about wealth is that it appears suddenly. In reality, most financial success is built gradually, year after year, decision after decision. That slow process frustrates many people because modern culture rewards speed and instant gratification. But wealth building rewards patience. They are usually the most consistent. They continue during boring periods. They continue during slow progress. That persistence creates long-term momentum. Eventually, small gains begin stacking together in noticeable ways. Debt decreases, savings increase. Then one day, the difference becomes obvious, not because of one lucky moment, but because of years of repeated good decisions. Because it means wealth is not reserved only for elite earners or financial geniuses. Ordinary people using simple principles consistently can still build meaningful financial security over time. And there you have it, how to build wealth without a high income. Building wealth is not only about earning more money. In many cases, it is about managing money better, staying consistent, and allowing time to work in your favor. Small actions repeated for years often create bigger results than short bursts of motivation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical insights about money and personal growth. Drop a comment below and share your opinion. Do you think income or financial behavior matters more when building wealth? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.